Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You begin by creating the minimal manifest and file layout, make a folder, then add manifest. JSON with manifest version 3, name, version, and required permissions. Once done, add a background service worker script and a small pop-up. HTML for quick testing. Use a code editor to save icons and scripts in the folder. Make sure to open Chrome, / extensions, and enable developer mode. Load the unpacked extension right away so you can iterate and see changes as you code. Next, implement the core logic. Add content scripts in the manifest to inject your code into pages and request host permissions for the domains you target. Then wire messaging, use Chrome. Runtime. Send message from pop-up or content scripts and Chrome. Runtime. On message in the background service worker to coordinate tasks. Once implemented, reload the unpacked extension and open DevTools for the active tab and the service worker to watch logs and errors. This helps you iterate on edge cases and permission flow. To finish, run thorough tests, increment the manifest version, and strip debug logging. Make sure icons and screenshots are production ready. Then zip the extension folder and create a Chrome Web Store listing. Upload the ZIP, fill metadata, privacy policy, and payment if needed, and submit. If something goes wrong, check the extension's permissions, inspect the background service worker for startup errors, and rerun load unpacked to see console output. Resolving permission or path mismatches usually fixes most install failures.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.